In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an A4 document using Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile design tool that can help you craft stunning visuals without needing extensive graphic design experience. Whether you're creating a flyer, a resume, or any document that requires a specific layout, Canva has got you covered with its customizable templates and user-friendly interface. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to your Canva homepage. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to create an account, which can be done easily with an email address or by linking your social media accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Canva home screen where you have a whole world of design at your fingertips. Now you'll want to begin creating your document. Look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a Create button. Go ahead and give that a click. Next, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type A4 and press Enter. This will prompt Canva to search its vast library of templates to bring up those specifically sized for an A4 document, which is typically 8.27 by 11.69 inches. It's a common paper size used around the world, perfect for printing any professional document. Once the results populate, select the A4 document template that best suits the type of project you are planning to work on. You'll notice there are plenty of options in different styles, so take a moment to explore what suits your needs best. Once you've got your template picked out, click on it, and you'll be brought into Canva's design interface. At this point, you can start getting creative. Canva makes it easy to customize your project with a straightforward drag and drop functionality. You can add text, images, and even elements like stickers or different backgrounds. The sidebar on the left allows you to search for free stock images and illustrations that can elevate the look of your document. Plus, you can upload your own images if you'd like to use something specific. Remember, each element on your canvas is fully customizable. You can change fonts, colors, and spacing, or even rearrange elements to fit your vision. Take your time to experiment with different design features until your document feels just right. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to save your progress. Canva is pretty good about autosaving, but it's always a good idea to double check. When your document is ready to be completed or shared, head over to the Download option located at the top right. You can then choose your preferred file type, such as PDF for printing or sharing electronically. And there you have it. You've successfully created an A4 document in Canva. As you can see, the process is quite straightforward. With a little practice, you'll be able to whip up professional-looking documents in no time. Thanks for watching and happy designing.